Hey everybody, welcome to the channel and welcome to Solidworks. My name is Mike and today we're going to be talking about the toolbox library. Now I get comments from people saying, why isn't there an asset library in Solidworks? Well, of course there is, otherwise I wouldn't be making this video, okay? Now, how do you add that to the mix? Because by default it's not turned on, right? What you're going to do is you're going to go to the right hand side and you're going to click on the bottom icon where it says design library, right? Now I obviously have it installed, but if you have not, you will see toolbox but without the drop down menu thing in front of it. And if you click on it, you'll get a message down here saying, hey, do you want to install it? Now, you can also go up to the tools menu and then you go down and look for add-ins. And if you click on that, then you will have an option here to click on SolidWorks Toolbox Library. You click on the first little square thing to load it up in this session. And the second square will make sure it gets loaded every time you start SolidWorks. You click on OK, and then it's loaded. So then you go to your library and you open that up and then you choose whatever you want to work with. And there are tons of systems loaded here. You have ISO, you have ANSI, you can choose from that, right? And let's say for whatever reason I want to put a hex bolt in here. What I can do, and you wouldn't do that by the way, but let's say we would, yeah? You'd go to hex head, you would choose something like this, and what's very cool here is it will automatically adjust the size to the hole, right? So if I go here and look for this and let go, it will adjust the size. Pretty neat, right? So you can accept that. You can also go in here and change the size if you want. If you want it smaller, you can do that. You can change the length, you can change the thread length, you can do all of that. So it's a very versatile, it's a very useful, and yeah, that's what I want to share with you guys in this video. So hopefully it was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing because there's a lot more SolidWorks coming, all right? Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.